Hey everyone, how's it going? So, every once in a while, I get a situation where I have to go for a ride with a customer, where the customer has to drive, because sometimes I either can't verify the problem or the customer wants to take me for a ride so I can feel the problem that they're experiencing. So it happens. It happens probably quite often. So, I've had it in the past where somebody's come in and wanted me to go for a ride with them, and it's like, you can smell alcohol on their breath, and it's like, no, I'll drive your car, but I'm not letting you drive me. But that's happened maybe twice in the 40 plus years that I've been doing this. Today I had a weird one. Okay, so this guy comes in and he's talking about how his pickup truck has some kind of a drivability issue. Okay. So he's describing how you used to be able to hear the Flowmaster exhaust, but now you kind of can't hear it. He goes, and it just doesn't have the power it used to. So him telling me this, I'm thinking right off the bat, this guy probably catalytic converter getting plugged up or something. I don't know. So he's like, let me take you for a ride. And like the guy was a little different, I should say. I wouldn't say that I noticed anything. I didn't smell any alcohol on him. I didn't notice if his eyes were dilated or anything like that. I just thought maybe he was a little bit different than what I am or what you are, just a different type of person. But I didn't really think much of it. So we get in the car, and he starts driving. And it didn't take long for me to realize that this guy was actually either on some kind of medication, or had taken some kind of medication, or something he wasn't supposed to, because I don't think people are normally like this. But we're driving, and all of a sudden he's like this. Yeah, you feel that? You feel that? It's like, it's all over. Oh my God, you feel that? Oh, yeah, it's doing it now. It's doing it now. Oh, yeah. And all of a sudden he grabs the drink, and it's like drooling all over himself. He's like, oh my God, what am I doing? The whole road test. And I'm sitting in the passenger seat, like, grabbing a hold of my seatbelt, like, what the heck is going on? I'm going to die. Yeah. I thought I was going to die. Like, what in the heck? And I was like, all right, first off, slow down. The guy, himself, not driving, he was going 18 miles an hour. Like, he wasn't going fast. He wasn't going fast at all in the car. But the car was going, the car was going like 18 to 25 miles an hour. He was going 500 miles an hour. Like, he hit the nitrous and the boost and everything all at one time. And, like, I had to give him directions on how to drive around the block, because he couldn't figure out how to drive around the block. He came to a stop at an imaginary red light. Yeah, there was an imaginary red light. He goes, oh, I thought the light was red. I go, there is no light. Oh, yeah. Woo! He left the car. I did feel something one time, a weird shift, and he did floor it a bunch of times, but like just, whoop, taking off from the light, and it kind of felt sluggish. And I believe it's got a plugged exhaust, but I'm not sure. But man alive, I tell you what, it kind of freaked me out. Yeah, it kind of freaked me out. It was, yeah. All right, well. Anyway, so that's what I get to go through on a daily basis. Not that. I mean, that was the first time I've ever experienced anything like that. I've never experienced anything like that. I've dealt with people that have been, all walks of life, all different personalities and mentalities and everything else. And, I've never had a situation like this. This was just the most bizarre thing I've ever dealt with. It was crazy. All right, guys. Well, I hope you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, have a great day. Keep wrenching. And stay calm!